Hey everybody, it's Amy Graham, the Badass Valkyrie. This is my personal second chance sale package, and there are 3 in here. I went a little crazy, but I also figured that with 3 I would hopefully increase my chance for an Odyssey. So we will see. Obviously, in me saying that, you know, I'm probably ruining my luck, but, you know, whatever I get, I'll be fine. Even if it is pink, whatever. I think I did ask for no pink, but we will see what happens. I have not been very lucky with the requests, so we're just gonna kind of go with that and see what happens. So there are 3 in here. Yes, I was like, what? Yeah, 3. So I will open this in a minute, but they are thick feeling. This one feels less thick. I'm thinking this might be a Pemberley, but this one feels more solid and this one feels more solid. So we're gonna go with this one first. I did get deluxes, and so I ordered these on Wednesday, July 3rd, and I just got them today. So here's hoping. Oh yeah, this is definitely a Pemberley. Oh yay! This is the blue. It's the Pemberley, not Apollo, but goodness, Bill, not Bixby. Bingley, and oh, I'm super happy with that. And the Pemberley is going away, so I am super happy with that. I did ask for Kronos, Apollo, or Elysium. We will see, but yeah, I don't really see anything wrong with that except for maybe that little thing there where that edging is a little bit off, but otherwise I do not see anything wrong with that, and I love that, and I will use the crap out of that one. Woohoo! Okay, well, here goes the next one. So personal number 2 is, oh, it's a Hera, and it's an Odyssey. Yay! Yay! Awesome! Oh my goodness, that is a lot of spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with one cup ring. That is gorgeous. I now have a wide, a pocket, and a personal Hera. That's awesome. Okay, I love the 3 dots right there. So yeah, that is a lot lighter than the one I have, but loving that. One last one. We'll see. So I'm excited. I got an Odyssey. I'm like, yay. Don't know. Oh, yay! Yes! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. Look at the striations in that. Oh my goodness. Okay. I am so freaking in love with this. This is a Kronos. Yay! There's only 2 rings, but 3 spots. That's okay too. That is okay too. Doesn't have to be my 3. And if I had to have it, I could just take a ring and plop it down. But oh my goodness. Oh, yay! I thought for sure I'd end up selling these, or at least a couple of these, but yeah, no, not gonna. Okay, so this one has the old pen loop. So this is an old one, but that's okay too. If I sold any of them, it might be this one, but because Odyssey is gone, yeah, I don't think we're gonna end up doing that. So, yay! And I love my Bingley. So that's awesome. I have a Bingley from Tiffany Lou. We traded, and it's a weekly cover, And so it's the USS Commodore? USS, it's from a show that I have not actually watched yet, but yeah, I love these. Oh, and I finally get to do this. Yay! I've always wondered what the Athena was compared to the Kronos. So they are definitely different. So this one is a much more warm toned brown, and then the Kronos is a much darker, like a more earthy brown. This one, it started out as the toffee, of course, and then this one was from the Kronos, was from the, I can't remember. It's Mr. Darcy leather, but oh my goodness, that is freaking phenomenal. I mean, just look at that. Oh my gosh. It is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh. So is this one. I mean, this one is super pretty. I may try to get a different Odyssey one. We'll see. But, you know, I do love my Hera. So, and it does have just really pretty markings. I would love to put in another ring, like right about here, and one like right about there. But, oh, so pretty. So pretty. Oh. Oh. These spots, though, oh my gosh. Loving it. So, yay! It turned out super phenomenal. And these are really close. I'm just like, really close. So, I just can't get over that texture, though. Oh my gosh. It is just gorgeous. Oh, so pretty. So, yeah. I am loving it. Oh, loving it, loving it, loving it. So, and it has the new pin loop, and I love that. Yay. So, I'm a very happy girl. Yay. So, I do not know what I'm going to move into next. Probably the Kronos. Just to kind of give it get a feel for it, but oh, let's see if these are all the old or the, I'm wondering, now that cannot be, oh, I think it's sitting on, there we go. Well, that looks to be, no, there it is, it's the same. Okay, so that's good. So this one is the same height, yay, and this one is the same height. So these are all the new height personals, and I am dang happy. Oh, I think I'm going to just pull these out and see what it looks like in there. So, get these all tucked in. My Athena came to me used, but it had not been used very much. And these are Yellow Paper House inserts that I use. And someone today commented that as my since I'm using my Hobonichi A5, my cousin Avec, as my bullet journal, but I'm not putting collections in it, this is more where I'm housing my collections. And she was very, very correct. I was like, that is actually a perfect way to look at this. So that made me extremely happy to think about it like that. Oh, okay. I have to be smarter than my book here. I have, yes, there we go. I was like, I'm pretty sure I got something in there, so. that. And this is from Odd Girl Journals. And then again, this is Yellow Paper House. And on the 14th, which is Monday, I'll be getting a new one. So, and I'll go through these inserts with you guys when I get the new one set up for the 15th, so that I'll explain everything that I do to them and all of that. But this is my journal, and it just kind of slips right there in the back. And then this is my food tracker. I'm going to put it right there. And then this, again, is where I track my sleep and my meals and all my other stats. So that goes right there. Ooh. And then this is my habit tracker. But I put that on the one with the string with the knot. And, oh, I'm so excited. Yay! Finally. That goes right there. And then this is my running tracker, again from Yellow Paper House. It's just one of the pocket size. So I just slip that in there. And let me make sure. The monthly calendar is just really snug in that, but oh, yay! I am so excited. And then with the new pen loop, putting that right there. And there we go. Oh, that is so beautiful. So freaking beautiful. And then I have my Woolly Planner, little Owlie, and one of her gnomes, which is tiny, which I love. Oh, and I will give my Athena a rest for a little while, even though I love her. Oh, I was like, why are you ordering 3 personals? You're never going to get out of your Athena. But this is definitely one that, oh my gosh, just the feel of it. Those striations in it are freaking amazing. Oh my goodness. I could not have gotten a better Chronos. I mean, honestly, I could not. Oh, I just love that. So yeah, I am super, super happy with what I got. I love this, the Bingley. I love it. And I am so excited to have a Pemberley Personal in a color that I really, really wanted with the new pen loop before they went away. So I'm super excited about that. And then, as I said, I've got a Pocket Titanic. It does not have the splotches, but then I have my Hera, which was my original Odyssey. And that I just to have that set, a wide, a personal, and a pocket, I just don't think I can get rid of this. I love it. Unless I could get, the only one that I would trade this for would be an Elysium. Because I love me an Elysium. I've been dying to find one. So, but I want it to be a deluxe. And all the ones that I've been seeing are not deluxe. And so that's why I've been like, well, yeah. So let me pull up I'll pull out my notes and also see which, oh yay, I got the Chic. Oh, awesome. Oh, and a new postcard. Yay. That's cool. So that is very awesome. And it's a very nice card too. I love that. So there's that with the Chic. Yay, I haven't had that one. Let me, oh, Caspian, not Bingley, it's Caspian. All right, here's my order notes. Well, oh, here we go. Would love Odyssey, Elysium, Kronos, Zeus, or Apollo. No pink, please. Ink spots and rings if possible. That was my order notes. And Odyssey Hera, Kronos, and Pemberley Caspian, which is awesome. So, well done, Chic Sparrow. You guys were so great. And I love my personal collection. So, yeah, these are my Chic Sparrow personals that I have. And I love them. But, oh my goodness, y'all. I just cannot even with this one. Holy cow. Yeah. All right. Well, you'll be seeing this one for a little while. At least for a while now. I hope you guys have good luck in your second chance. If you've got something that you wanted for your second chance, let me know down below. I think that I am done with my second chance. I don't think I'm going to get any of the other sizes unless there's a very slim chance that I might get a B6 Slim. Maybe. Just because I would love another Odyssey chance. So, I think that's the only other one that I'm looking at. Maybe an A5 or an A6, not an A5. I may be trying an A6 too. I don't know. I don't know. So we'll see. But, you know, I can never say never, but finally. Yay! All right. You guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.